The turbine wheel is mounted on the output shaft and is supported by the housing through anti-friction bearings. The turbine wheel is enclosed by the rotating shell. The output shaft is coupled to the drive end of the boiler feed pump with a rigid coupling. The scoop tube housing encloses the scoop tube, which is a hollow tube. When the tube is inserted into the chamber's oil space, the oil flow is diverted into the tube, which dumps into the sump, reducing the volume of oil in the chamber. The position of the scoop tube determines the amount of oil that is in the pump wheel, turbine wheel, and shell assembly. The scoop tube is positioned automatically by the DCS based on remote boiler feed pump discharge pressure. When the scoop tube is fully inserted, the output shaft will be at its lowest operating speed.